Good evening. This is a Savers haul. I went to Savers last week. Today is the beginning of September. As I'm doing this video, you might see some stuff in the background. Also, over Labor Day weekend, there was like Highway 61 yard sale where there was just miles and miles of yard sales, and I spent 2 days doing yard sales, and so those will be on separate videos. So this is just Savers haul. I went to Savers because they have a Halloween section, but this time there was no vintage Halloween. Savers brings in new Halloween goods, and this is pretty much they only do that at Halloween, having like a new section of Halloween costumes and stuff. So I did get this Halloween gauze for $4.99. And then I got this Garfield plush. This is for me because, you know, I love Garfield, and it still has the tag attached, so that made me happy. I got these 3 pads of accounting paper. This is for my junk journals. I got this mini clock. I collect Disney. Has a crack in it. I think it works, but it doesn't matter. It's going on my vintage shelf. And then this Cabbage Patch head. So this is not an official Cabbage Patch, but it is very similar to Cabbage Patch, and I just thought it was weird that Doris existed in 1984. Doris is a wholesale company that I buy stuff from, so that was cool to see a vintage label of Doris. I got 2 of those, and then I got this, I thought this just was really cool, still in the box, just one of those phone things, you know, where people kept phone numbers and stuff. It has not been used, and I liked it, so that is for me, for my office. I got some Disney mugs to resell, and then I got the Starbucks New York mug to resell. And this is like, and then this trip was good in that I found one of my holy grails. This is a Snugglebum. So I collect these. I only have about 4. I have the orange one, and it was like one of my favorite childhood toys, and I still have my original from childhood. So I'm always looking to find more of these. They're pretty rare, like finding them in the wild. They go for like between $30 and $50 on eBay. So I don't buy them. I want to find them where they're not $30 to $50. So I got this for like $2.99 in a grab bag in the toy section. So, and it still makes the squeaky noise, so that makes me very, very happy. It's pretty good condition. The hair needs to be combed out. It's got like troll doll hair. But it's, you know, and the hair's coming a little loose. I have to glue that back down. But seriously, I almost cried when I saw this. This is very rare to find, so that made me extremely happy. And then I just got this thing of cards. I don't know. It reminded me childhood memory of like flashcards and stuff, and it's different state information, so I got that for me. And then there was this grab bag of paper, and you couldn't really see what was in it besides the top. This owl, it was $2.99. I just took a chance. Hopefully there's like some 80s pads of paper. Probably not, but I can always use a scrap of paper in my office, so it was perfectly fine taking that chance. There was a lot of wooden stamps again. Someone had donated a collection, so I was hoping some of these would be vintage. They're not looking like Howard Johnson. Is Howard Johnson still around? National Street Machine Club. What does that say? North American Hunting Club. An M. St. Louis County Library. That's just blank. Drug prescription. Christmas. They got a lot of St. Jude's. Well, you never know. Take a chance. St. Louis Post-Dispatch. So, like I said, I will use the paper around the house. I just was hoping, never knew, maybe there would have been a cool 80s one. But there isn't. I don't know, I kind of like those library ones. And then, drinks per week. Most UMR students have 0 to 4 drinks per week. I don't know. Anyway, it just looks like a whole bunch of free notepads that this lady collected and then donated. So, this is my haul. Small haul. I hadn't been to Savers forever. I had some family in town, and they love going to Savers, and still, it was well worth it. I am still so excited about my new Snugglebum. Isn't she adorable? Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.